Good morning. So it is Monday, God. But I'm heading to work. I just uploaded my weekend vlog. It's not really a weekend vlog. It's, you know, what I got from TJ Maxx, Burlington, Target. But in the mix, I had to volunteer this weekend. So now I'm heading to work. But con Dios y la Virgen, let's go. I was on TikTok. So actually, I was on Target's website because I told you guys I was looking for a couple of pieces from the, I don't know why I keep forgetting the name, Kalila, the KBB drop that she did with Target, and everything is sold out. 1X, 2X, 3X, 0X, extra large, like everything is gone. It went fast. But my store didn't get any of it. So I'm kind of like, maybe they got it in the back and it's coming out eventually. Maybe I got some hope. But I didn't see anything in store except for that blue jacket. Ooh. I'm excited for it, and I have it in the back because I don't know if I told you guys, but not too long ago I went into my coat closet and the whole shit fell off the wall. Like, so I closed the door, like, so my husband has to fix it. He already saw it and he was like, you did that? And I was like, bro, I haven't been down there since last winter. Like, so I didn't want to bring another jacket in and for him to lose his mind and remember that the closet broke. But I have it in the back seat. And I did self-checkout, so I kept the hanger and everything so I could just hang it up. But after I was done with that, I jumped onto TikTok and I saw these reusable bags that Walmart has with all these Puerto Rico images, and I jumped onto my Walmart to see if I could get it because they're $2 in Puerto Rico, but they're like $30 here. No. And I was like, oh my God. So the girl, she had picked up like 2 of everything. And she was like, you know, if you want it, I'll pick it up for you. You know, we'll make arrangements. But I don't like to do stuff like that with people I don't know. So I said to my husband, we're going to have to take a trip to Puerto Rico just so I can go to Walmart and get those bags. He was like, listen, you have enough bags. And I was like, no, I want those bags. $2. They're only $2. I want them all. But, and you know, I kind of feel like that makes no sense. If these bags came out here in New York, like if you bring in bags into the Walmart here in New York and they say New York, the Big Apple, New York City, ain't nobody gonna buy it. You already here. It's just like when you buy a Puerto Rico shirt and you wear it in Puerto Rico, they look at you like, just like when you wear the I Love New York shirt here and we're like, you need to bring it here. It'll sell faster here than it will in Puerto Rico. Just like I Love New York would sell better in Puerto Rico than it would here in New York, you know? But I was like, ugh. Then I was telling my husband, you know what would have made a killing? Had one of them had Bad Bunny face on it, you know? But my husband's like, but what are you going to do with that? Then you're going to say, oh, I don't want to use it. I don't want to mess it up. Yes. But they look so nice. They're just so country, you know? They got the plátano bag. They got the little, you know, the old campesinos hugging each other, and it just looks like I need them in my life. So yeah, that's how I spent my morning going, like, I don't know. morning. So it is the next day. I'm heading to work. I was watching Miss Nezzy and Jennifer was doing her makeup. It turned out so beautiful. It just looks so, and I was like, I like that. I was gonna do a similar look, but you know, I like more color. I was with the blush, but she came out gorgeous. Con Dios y la Virgen. You know, that got me thinking about, and I know you guys are gonna be like, girl, we in September. Actually, tomorrow's October 1st. But it got me thinking, who is going to do Vlogmas? So I started to tell you guys yesterday because I thought about it yesterday and then I forgot to actually say it. But Vlogmas is a lot of fun. Vlogmas is a lot of work, but Vlogmas makes you really realize that your life is boring as hell, because it makes you realize you an adult. You know, you're an adult. Because I get up, I go to work, I come out of work, I go food shopping. If I'm not food shopping, I'm rushing home so that I can, you know, start my laundry, you know. If I'm not doing laundry, I gotta clean up a little, you know. And that's basically how my day goes. You know, when I go to lunch, or sometimes on the weekend, if my husband is off and I'm off, we'll go like to Burlington, TJ Maxx, Marshalls and stuff. If I don't find nothing, I don't even bother telling you, because I don't know, like Burlington, I always say, it used to be our little honey hole. It has become such a dump. My husband never finds anything at TJ Maxx, so he likes to go to Marshalls. I don't always find things in Marshalls. I prefer TJ Maxx, you know. So, but I don't know, like even the mall. I don't like going to the mall unless I'm going to like Primark, or I want to see something at H&M. All the other stores, I'm just like, what the hell is this? You know, and my style is very colorful. You know, when I go into places like Loft, The Gap, you know, places like that, Banana, even Old Navy. Like Old Navy, is never in my radar. I can walk straight across and not even look twice at the store. I don't know, those places don't like, they never call my attention. Once in a while, like my husband, he likes Old Navy, and we'll go in, and once in a while I'll look at stuff. But I don't know, like pieces that I like, that I feel are like very like, you know, there's something about it that I like. You know, Fashion Nova has, Shein can have. You know, I like something. Like if I'm wearing jeans, I need it to have something. Like my cargos. I love cargos. I love it to have some kind of weird button-up situation, like the ones that are crisscross now. I love those. I don't know. I like a lot of the fashion today. I'm just like. And then when I see people hauling stuff, first of all, how did we end up talking about clothes when I'm talking about Vlogmas? But anyways, so I was thinking about it, and one video popped up of Vlogmas, and It was a girl. She was, you know, Christmas shopping, last minute little things at Bath and Body. She was getting like little stocking stuffers. So I clicked on it, right? And she started off, she's making her coffee in the morning. And I was like, you know, I like that. You know, you making your little coffee, you put your little whipped cream, you know, you're still in your robe, you're still in the middle of getting ready. I like that. And then she got into her car. She was like, I need to get some last minute things. I don't want to spend too much. You know, a lot of the times when you have people over, if someone else comes with them, you don't have something for them. So you have a little something that you put aside for stuff like that, you know. So she was heading to Bath and Body. Bath and Body, I can do a little bit. But all those scents together, when I'm smelling different scents, it triggers my allergies. But she picked up these nice little sanitizers that you clip on your bag, and these little sprays and whatever. She made these little gift bags, and she put them like on a shelf in the bathroom, and was like, you know, my aunt comes over and she always want to bring somebody, you know. And then when you're exchanging gifts, you're kind of like, I didn't know she was coming, like, you know, so I'll give them something. And I was like, But when I started watching that, all these other Vlogmas videos popped up, and one of my old ones popped up. So I opened it to look, and I think I was heading to TJ Maxx to get my husband like something, like he wanted like, I was looking for like a polo sweater or something with a zipper, I don't know. But I was looking at it and I was like, you went to work in the morning, we had our conversation, you stopped in there, it was a mess, you didn't really buy anything, or you bought one thing, and it was like, now I'm heading home. Like, I found it, you know, I was like, Jack, that was boring. At the time I was like, oh, you know, they'll look at TJ Maxx or whatever. But I find, like, you know, I have a regular 9 to 5. I have family life, I have all that. I want to do Vlogmas, but I don't want to end up with 5 minutes on Monday, 15 minutes on Tuesday, like, and put Vlogmas day 15, 16, 17, 18 all together. You know, the next video is 19, 20, 21, because I didn't really do anything exciting. So are you guys planning to do Vlogmas? Let me know, because I'm curious, because I know I want to start filming a little early, like sometime in November, and just have it ready to go so I'm up to date, and you know. But I don't know, when I come to do Vlogmas, I always be like, all right, my life is boring. Not really that it's boring, but you know, you ain't a kid no more. It's not like you hanging out and doing this and doing that, you know, every other day, staying out late. Like, we don't bounce back the way we used to. And I realized that every weekend. But I was thinking about that. So let me know. I'm gonna end this video here because I didn't do too much. I am gonna add the clip of me getting ready, because I did just the eyes. I was watching Nezzy and Jennifer when I was doing it, and I was like, "Ooh, look at that! Ooh, look at that!" But I wanted a little more color. You know, Nezzy has a nice tan, her natural caramello. I'm getting pale as hell, so I need blush, I need color, I need all of it. So yeah, that's where we at. So I'm gonna end this video here. I just wanted to chit chat, and I want to start filming and getting used to doing a little more daily vlogs. Hopefully not everything in the car, but I do want to get ready for Vlogmas if I end up doing it. Let me know if you're gonna do it. We'll start that conversation down below.